Hello, this week is National Chemistry Week, and this year's theme is Chemistry Colors Our World. My name is Molly Workman.
I'm Ellie Nyrider.
And I'm Reagan Weiskircher. The pigment that we have chosen is manganese violet. The IUPAC name for this is ammonium manganese 3 diphosphate. The molecular formula for this is H4NMN07P2. As you can see, here is the structure written out in 2D form. The molecular weight for manganese violet is 246.92 grams per mole. The pH of this is 2.5 to 4.7. Manganese violet is insoluble in water, oils, and most organic solvents. The manganese violet is considered non-toxic.
Manganese violet has a lot of functions within the world today. It's used in plastics for colorations, specifically in thermoplastic, thermosetting polymers, reinforced and expanded plastics, engineering polymers, packaging, films, and containers. It is also used in construction in window profiles, roofing, granules, tiles, and shingles, clear plastic sheeting, and a sealing compound. It's also used in printing inks, in screen, textile, and hot stamping foils. It's also used in paints, in industrial finishes, alkyl and polyurethane paints, and powder coatings. It's also used in artist colors such as oil, pastels, and pencils, and children's paints. And it's also used in cosmetics, in eyeshadow, mascara, lipsticks, and nail varnishes. The FDA says that it is safe for use in Europe and Japan for external use. And it's used for its vibrant color and its excellent safety record. It's also used in floor coverings such as vinyl, aluminum, and floor paints.
I'm just going to go over some of the hazards. Even though it is a non-toxic compound, it does have a few hazards with it. So some of the physical and chemical, if they come in contact with strong alkali, it liberates ammonia, and that is a flammable and toxic gas, so that is obviously not good. There are no environmental hazards known. They should just be disposed of properly. In aspect of human health, they can create problems if they come in contact with a person's eyes. They could cause irritation, or with their skin if they have sensitive skin. And if they're inhaled, there's really not a risk. And ingestion, there's no hazards because it's non-toxic. Some first aid measures that should be taken. If you get it in your eyes, remove contacts, flush with plenty of water for at least 15 minutes, and repeat if necessary. If you get on your skin, just wash it with soap and water. If you ingest it, there's no action that should be taken because it's non-toxic, so you should be fine. If it's inhaled, you should get fresh air. If you're still having a hard time breathing, you might have to get an oxygen mask to aid you in that area. And if any of the symptoms persist, you should seek medical attention, but most likely you'll be all right.
Manganese violet is considered non-toxic and also non-flammable. But if a fire should arise near the product, you should still put the fire out, but the product that contains manganese violet will not likely catch on fire, and with that there is no worries of this product exploding also, since it is non-flammable. The only worry or caution that you should take is if the chemical undergoes a chemical decomposition, a toxic irritating ammonia gas could arise from the product. If manganese violet is spilled during the use of this product, you don't need to flush it with surface water, and you should not put it into the sewer system. You need to scoop it up and put it into a disposable container, but you should still dilute the product with water. When you are storing manganese violet, you should avoid generating dust, and you need to make sure there's proper ventilation in the room. You should avoid breathing the dust in if, so you need to wear proper safety wear. You also need to avoid prolonged skin contact. You should avoid eye contact. Again, you need to wash after handling, and you should always keep the container closed. And the most important is to store in a clean, dry area in sealed containers, and never store it with alkalis.
As you can see, Magnane's Violet literally colors our world. It's on our face, it's in the construction sites, it's in our homes. So yeah, it really truly colors our world.